When I finished at Trinity, things happened pretty quickly for me. So from sitting in your seats, a couple of months later, I found myself at the West Coast Eagles, drafted pick 57. From playing Elco Cup football, my next game of football was round 1, 1999, in front of 40,000 people in Western Derby. Within sort of 6 months, Elco Cup to AFL football, it was a dream come true. But what I quickly realised was that talent's only going to take you so far, and you need a lot of other attributes to make the most of the opportunity that you get given, because if you don't take it, then the guy next to you will. Whilst you're going to get a lot of support, there's going to be a lot of people that are going to be able to help you along the way. It really does come down to the individual. And the question that I kept asking myself is, what does the best version of myself look like? I knew I was up here, I knew I had to sort of get myself, to a level where I could, be a more consistent footballer, but also be my best self as well. And once you realise that, you're a long way from, improving and, getting really good and better at what you do. You guys are in a credible position right now. Trinity College has given you a wonderful foundation, and as I mentioned earlier on, your best years are ahead of you. So good luck and all the best.